Alright, look, I wanted to record this video so a lot of you understand something. I've been hearing about, the ice bucket challenge for the foundation of ASL or ALS, whatever you call it. But half of y'all ain't even putting no damn ice in the damn buckets. I see y'all dumping cold water or whatever type of water. A lot of y'all are taking the fun out of this ice bucket challenge because y'all are using regular damn water. If y'all gonna do the ice bucket challenge, we should be seeing some damn ice in the water. Do it for real. And you know what? Everybody please stop saying to ALS or ASL because none of y'all asses is gonna donate. So just say, look, I was nominated to do the ice bucket challenge and get on with it. Stop the foundation shit. Everybody's just taking this a little bit too far about this foundation. All y'all asses is broke, just as well as I'm broke, even though I drive a truck because we all paying Uncle Sam. All right? So how about y'all do the ice water challenge and just say I challenge my friend to do the ice bucket challenge and get on with it. Leave out the foundation because none of y'all asses gonna donate. Get back to driving. Oh yeah. And Melody Griffith and Troy Billups, I have not forgot about my ice bucket challenge. I just been damn busy. As you see, I'm driving. Y'all better leave me alone. But I will do a video and get back to y'all ASAP. Now again, leave out the foundation because your asses is broke. I'll let you.